In the previous part of the Kashmir Great Lakes vlog, I shared the incredible journey of the first 3 days of the KGL trek. Let's dive into what the rest of this adventure has in store. Day 4 started with a warm up session with the trek leader, and it was an entertaining one.
करो 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 काम आएगा, ये आगे काम आएगा, भी सबके काम आएगा। हाय मेरा बाजीरा, हाय मेरा बाजीरा, तेरी कसम बाजीरा, तेरी कसम बाजीरा, हाय मेरा बाजीरा, हाय मेरा बाजीरा, तेरी कसम बाजीरा, तेरी कसम बाजीरा, कहाँ गया बाजीरा, कहाँ गया बाजीरा, गड़सर गया बाजीरा, गड़सर गया बाजीरा।
It's day 4 of the trek, and we are going to see our first lake today. In the first 15 minutes of the hike, Vishansar Lake, and we are saying goodbye to the beautiful campsite here. So we have reached the first lake of the Great Lakes trek, and this is Vishansar Lake, a pristine Alpine lake. Crystal clear water. You can see the bottom of the lake as well. I'm not sure if it is visible in the video, but look at that reflection. These are the peaks. That's the glacier which is contributing in the formation of this lake, and it's just wow. When you go a little up along the lake, you actually see the true blue color of the lake. Another 20 to 30 minutes uphill trek from Vishansar Lake will lead you to Kishansar Lake. So guys, we have reached the second lake. It's Kishansar Lake, and it's same as the size as the previous lake, but the colors are not coming out to be blue because it's cloudy. Hopefully when we'll go up the pass, we'll see the two blue colors of the lake. But again, beautiful lake. Guys, this is the Kishansar Lake. It is just 20 minutes away from Vishansar Lake. A steep climb, and then you see this beautiful Alpine lake. And you have to go up that route, cross this pass.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है भैया के साथ में,
बहुत मजा आ रहा है। This is the steep climb we have to take. I don't know if you are able to see. We have to go from there and cross this pass from there, and we'll be able to see two lakes. One is here and one is on the other side. While crossing these steep passes, we were actually able to see how crowded the trail was. We're standing at the top of Gadsar Pass, and we can see the 5 lakes from here. That's 3 lakes in the row. And if you walk just a bit here, we can see Kishansar and Vishansar here. By the time we started descending, the cloud cover became really heavy and it started raining. So we are at the Gadsar Lake and it's raining heavily, so cannot capture a lot of videos. But yeah, here's the view. Sabir bhai हैं हमारे साथ. This is the mighty Gadsar Lake, probably the biggest of the trek, and it's still raining and doesn't look like it will stop, but we are going strong. Our campsite is somewhere there in the valley. Apart from the lakes, one of the best part about this trek is that you cross a pass and a beautiful valley opens up, and they'll blow your mind. You'll see plenty of such valleys on this trek. We have reached the campsite for day 4, and you can see the number of camps here. Although it is very beautiful, but again very crowded. But yeah, The views makes you forget about the crowd unless they create, unpleasant noises at night, play music, create ruckus at the campsite. Luckily, our campsite is the last one, so you're lucky. But these guys, super crowded.
We'll cover the last 2 days of the trek in the next vlog, and that's when the shit got really scary. Stay tuned for the next part.